The first time it happened was September 2nd, 2022. Truck driver Mahari Akbu pulled up to the warehouse along 300 North, but saw signs saying no trucks at both entrances. On a time crunch and confused about where to go, Akbu parked in the turn lane and stepped out of his big rig to figure out where he needed to be. But before he could do that, he was hit by a passing truck. He survived, but with catastrophic injuries. Less than 2 months later, October 20th, 2022, the same thing happened again. Truck driver Harvel Dillon got out of his truck while trying to decipher where to go and was hit by a fuel tanker. He died at the scene.
Amazon did nothing to make their conditions on their premises safer and more clear for these truck drivers as to where they need to enter.
Attorney Brandon Yosha represents the driver who survived and the family of the one who didn't. He sued Amazon on their behalf, alleging they were aware of the lack of signage and resulting safety issues and did nothing.
We see it every day.
I'm like, oh my God, it's happened again, it's happened again.
Yosha saying body cam videos from the day of the crash prove the company knew of the problem and the fact that it erected signs like this one the day after the truck driver was killed.
This one sign alone at the entrance where Harvel was would have saved his life.
Amazon argued because the crashes didn't happen on its property, it isn't liable, and a Hamilton County judge agreed, dismissing the case. But the Indiana Court of Appeals reversed that decision, writing, quote, "When the activities conducted on the business premises affect the risk of injury off the premises, the landowner may be under a duty to correct the condition or guard against foreseeable injuries." Amazon appealed, but just last week, the Indiana Supreme Court upheld the decision and said the lawsuit can move forward.
We have two individuals that were simple folks, and they're going up against the biggest corporation in the world. And it's going to be a battle.
Yosha said his team can now begin a formal investigation into both incidents and says he believes there's likely other cases yet to be discovered. In Indianapolis, Max Lewis, Fox 59 News.